The one in the middle is the female. She doesn't have as much gray. The humans are the only species that have hot-looking looks, while the animals, it's the male that looks all hot and cute. I should put some more. There they are. A few more in the bird feeder. I must have about 15 of them. They're on the roof right now. They're on our roof. The clown car. See the one that was just a female though. Yeah, they're all on my roof. And here comes my hummingbird. I have several hummingbirds that winter over. And I have a baby. I have a little one. I am shocked. The baby was the same species, green head, and it was on the ground, and the mom was feeding it a few days ago. Unbelievable. It was about half the size of the mama that was feeding him, or him, whatever. But here comes the hummingbird. This one's a ruby. He's got red-headed. And then I have a few green-headed. Oh, and look at this bird on the ground. He sings so beautifully. The robins are gone. Flew south for the winter, and we always know when winter is over, when we hear the robins singing early in the morning. We have a lot of birds. Let me go see if the woodpecker's out there. Hold on. Here's a hanging log, birch log feeder. I have holes in it, and I've got peanut butter, lard, and seeds packed in it. And I had a pileated woodpecker that was taller than this log. That was so cool, but that's only happened once in 4 years. This is our small kitchen dining room. This is where we eat in the morning. And then I'll show you out back. And here's, oh, there's the woodpecker. He's a hairy woodpecker. He likes that log. Let me tell you, when that log gets empty, he lets me know it. He flies around the yard going, chit, 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 chit. See, he's got an extra long bill. And that he has less dots on his back, so that tells me he's a hairy woodpecker. The downy woodpeckers have smaller bills and more dots on their back, but they look pretty much the same, but they're about the smaller than the smaller woodpecker. But I'll tell you, the woodpeckers just love these logs. I have some birch logs I will sell you, including shipping is $50 for 3 of them, because I can put 3 inside the package. And if you want some lard, I'll send you some lard. It's cheap. You buy a tub of lard for $2 and get you that cheap peanut butter, the Skippy kind with that has sugars and oils and garbage. Oh my goodness. You mix that with the lard and some seeds and pack it in the little holes. And you get some nommy little areas to put the nommies in, so your woodpecker will just love it. Now I can go outside and sit there on the chair, and this woodpecker doesn't mind. Anyway, I'm going to stop recording now. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, or Bill will come get you. I hope Jules is doing okay. I've been praying for her. Oh, and the ugliness that's taking place. Oh my. Jules. Oh my gosh. What's going on with Quail, the book writer? She plagiarized Kimberly on YouTube creator. Kimberly, just look up Kimberly Watts case, and she has a video about showing how Quail plagiarized word for word from another author, an attorney. She did that to the wrong person. She's a psychologist attorney who wrote a book, His Garden. Anyway, I think there's going to be some sparks flying pretty soon, because she copied several chapters word for word, and it's copyrighted. Wow. Her book came out July 2018. Oops, the dogs are barking.